100W high-speed charging. Our USB-C fast charging cable supports PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charging with the max 100W, 20V5A, output. Compared with the 60W charging cable, this 100W Type-C to Type-C charging cable can easily carry the power lost when playing games with a laptop. Say no to low battery. Built for a longer lifespan. Aluminum housing, nylon braiding and 250D fiber core keeps the 100W USB-C cable safe from fraying and splitting while withstanding over 30,000 90-degree bends. The tangle-free design allows you to easily wrap it up and stow it away in your bag or drawer. Safe and smooth charging. Our USB-C cable 6 feet is equipped with an exclusive e-marker smart chip to intelligently match the required current, while 56 kilo-ohms resistors support seamless conduction and smooth charging, helping to protect your device from potential damage during current discharge. Rapid data sync. The USB-C PD cable offers transfer speed up to 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0, so you can transfer content like 1 GB movies, music, documents or an entire photo library in 30 seconds. Smoothly transfers your data in no time. Does not support video output. Broad compatibility. Unlike the market's most USB-C cable incapable of charging high-power devices, UGREEN Type-C to Type-C cable can compatible seamlessly with laptops, MacBook Pro 2021, etc., cell phones, Samsung S22, Google Pixel, LG, etc., tablets, iPad Pro, etc., Switch and more. Suitable for any phone case. Top review from the United States. Very high quality, works just as expected. Bought this for my dad. The materials feel very sturdy, and I know from experience that UGREEN cables will last you ages with the proper care. Definitely recommend.